Hello guys and welcome to Mustang Week day number 1. We are on the way to my buddies, which you guys will probably see too. That would be Evan and Josh. It is 8:30 in the morning. Ooh, don't hit the other car. Can I hit the other car? No, I cannot. Okay. Car is fully packed, like fully packed. Got this. We got luggage bag back there, and then all detailing stuff. Yeah, all kind of stuff back there. So what we gotta do at first, of course, is a cold start. So let's get the cold start going. Well, cold starts are never really exciting with this car because it's never loud like that. So yeah, now we got about 20 minutes to my buddies, well 15, and about 3.5 hours to Myrtle Beach Mustang Week. So I will probably keep you guys updated. I'm also giving Evan GoPro so he can do some rolling stuff, but you guys will see that on the way over there. Also, don't be surprised, oh god, I don't know where to put my camera while I'm putting my seatbelt on. He does not, my buddies do not drive a Mustang. It's just gonna be like the camera car. When we do stuff other than Mustang Week stuff, because not everybody's gonna fit in this car. So he's driving a Charger Scat Pack, which at least it's still American, right? Good. But yeah, let me get on the way, and we will see us probably there or on the way to Mustang Week.
Hitting my car.
Okay, we are almost ready to roll out. We got the guys over there ordering stuff from Hardee's. I already ate breakfast when I was at home before I left. So yeah, we are about ready to head out, and not much to say. I gave Evan the camera. I showed him how to use a GoPro. So hopefully he's gonna make some rolling shots on the way over there. Otherwise this is gonna be pretty empty and we're just gonna pop up, because I'm pretty much not going to record when we drive. But yeah, still gonna have to stop at Sheetz. At some point I'm gonna have to stop at a gas station. I'm halfway. Yeah, so we will see us again at some point. I'm just gonna start it. No, my god, I'm recording already. I should leave it in there. So we made it now to the Mustang Week. We just got our t-shirts. Thanks, Josh. That's my two. That. There you go. I can barely see you because the sun is behind us.
Good.
But yeah, there's already a lot going on.
I think it's the big panel.
So this is already bigger than what it was last year. In the middle of the week, I feel like. Yeah, it was nerfed by COVID. Of course I'm gonna cut this later. It's gonna be like... We do see a lot of cars that were here last year. This one was a nice color.
That's the wheels I keep trying to tell you to buy.
That's the wheels that he's trying to keep telling her about. Brakes on the floor.
It's not just the back that pulls the car, the faster it goes.
Okay, so there's definitely a lot going on. You see a lot of people right there too. We already walked all this before we went to the Mustang Week line. So we are gonna head to Sam's Club now, buy some stuff, and then we go to our Airbnb. So I guess you will see us at Airbnb. Okay guys, we made it to the Airbnb. It's a pretty nice area. Got the Mustang park right here. And the Charger, which is gonna be our drive around car. So now we can give you guys a small room tour. Are we gonna give them a small room tour? Heck yeah, we're gonna give them a small room tour. So we got the dudes over here chilling and watching some crap. Nope, I'm Ken. Yeah, I'm always talking to myself, Josh.
This is the first sign of insanity, Phil.
Okay. So when you come back here, we got my room. Shut up! Okay, so it's pretty dark. Got a separate bathroom because why not? Turn that light on. It's pretty nice in here. Shower, toilet. Get some light in here maybe. Okay, this one doesn't have a spinny thingy, that's cool. Little storage thing. Then we come to Evan's room. Oh, also not another toilet. Evan's room. It's pretty nice. Also has like a little storage thing. The kitchen area where he is gonna cook us food the whole time. Right? Heck yeah. And then we got Josh's room.
Is it modified child room?
A modified child room, he says. He got probably the best AC of us all. And 2 beds to just jump from one to the other one. You said what?
Show him the weird spying door that you can look through.
Oh yeah, we have a... So this is the bedroom. And we have a spy hole that actually works. And we can lock it from the outside, which doesn't work though because the door's hanging too low. So he's lucky. Also got a little editing area because I could edit in the living room. I could edit in the shower, in the linen closet, in the kitchen, under the table, on the wash machine, and on the golf cart. Okay, so now we're probably just gonna hang out at the beach for a little bit to cool down, because today they said it's gonna be pretty much the only day where we have like full on sunshine the whole time. And then we got that stupid hurricane, I forgot his name. He's not coming here, but he's gonna be on the water, so he's gonna bring some rain. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the beach now, and then we will see what else we're gonna do. Weirdo. We are playing mini golf. So, who's doing the first shot? And how are we playing? Is everybody hitting it until we hit the hole, or?
One at a time. Like one hit. He hits, I hit, you hit.
Okay. It's coming back to you.
Shit.
What the heck?
And back where you started. Maybe $5 if you just slam Evan's ball. Right.
That's a 3.
3 for you. Alright.
Well guys, pretty much that's it for today. I didn't really record an outro, and these nerds are playing Magic the Gathering, and I am editing the video right now.
Such disdain in your voice.
So yeah, pretty much that's it for today. We were trying to play mini golf, but it started raining. So we will retry that another day, and of course we're gonna record that as well. But yeah, we will see us tomorrow again. We're probably gonna do some random shit and then go to the Beaver Bar, right? Yes, Beaver Bar in the afternoon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this, and we will see us in the next one. Bye bye.